Hello, Next and Lexus community. I wanted to show you guys some projects I was working on here. So I designed a couple little things for Lexus. They turned out pretty fun. And I'm going to put these little guys into an animated kind of commercial concept. So that's the first one. And here's the second one. The time lapse is kind of cool. So they sit on a shelf, and the shout out to Stevenson Lexus and Jody, the rep. Really appreciate all that you've done, and I'm glad that you enjoyed these. And I am so enjoying the car. This one turned out really sweet. Everybody loved them there, and I think I might actually there'll be a market for them. So they said they might use these for next winter. Might be a good event. And so here's my new car. It's pretty sweet. It's a 2026 Lexus RX 350 luxury hybrid. And it is pretty much the Millennium Falcon. I was able to get 41.4 miles to the gallon on the drive back to Fort Collins. Also, shout out to Mom. Thank you so much. And all the Next community. And I've been working hard. And it's age 63. I think I've earned this. They also took my RAV4 in as trade. So overall, I'm very happy with the service at Stevenson. And this Lexus is just phenomenal. It's top of the line. Toyota's top of the line vehicle. And man, is it sweet. I'll make a video of the inside. Stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. So that's what I was doing today on Tuesday, in case anybody was wondering. Now I'm getting ready to get back to the next world. Stay tuned. More cool stuff to come from the black hole. Ooh, let's see, maybe I can find a couple more here that I did. So I did some keychains here. Let's see if we can download this one. So I have to download and then play it. Yep, so that turned out pretty cool. And let's see if there's any other ones. I did this one. As I say, I just had a little bit of time before I went and picked the car up to design a few things. You can't really see that one too well. But, hey, you know, I'm starting to multitask, and I think I can, my side hustle of 3D printing should start taking off. I think I do a pretty good job. And with the Maker Labs, too, it's really neat. You can get different designs, and then I go through and kind of tweak them to my designs and set the different layers so they're multicolored. And then also design some from scratch using the tools in the Maker Lab. So I'm getting better at 3D printing all the time, and it's really kind of fun. Now I'm going to have the laser up and running here. I know I've been saying that a while, but I've got the final steps on that, so we'll be doing some laser etching and cutting. And I think I'm going to invest in a CNC machine too, so we can actually make metal machine replacement parts for Next. And it is just so cool, the technology that's coming out these days. So now if I can figure out how to shut off the screen recording, we'll be in business. And hopefully it did record that.